हेलो दोस्तों, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। तो ये ई टैब की पूरी सीरीज़ आपके लिए है। हमने इसकी पहली क्लास में देखा था ई टैब का इंट्रोडक्शन क्या होता है, ई टैब के एडवांटेज क्या होते हैं और इसके क्या यूजेस होते हैं और उसकी क्या हिस्ट्री है। ये सब हमने पहले इंट्रोडक्शन क्लास में इसका देखा था। तो हमारी इसकी दूसरी क्लास में देखेंगे यूजर इंटरफेस ऑफ ई टैब, है ना। तो इससे पहले अगर आप कोई भी वीडियो मिस करना नहीं चाहते हैं और इस चैनल को जुड़े रहें एंड सब्सक्राइब करें। ओके, तो चलो शुरू करते हैं आज की क्लास।
So now open the software. So let me open the new model. So click on file menu, and under file menu is click on new model, and under new models is model initializations, and under this windows have three options. First is use save users default setting, and second is use settings from a model file for a previous models, and third is use building settings. So click on building settings. So under the settings is a default data is set. So first is display unit is matrix SI, and region for default materials is India, and steel sections is database is India, sorry Indians, and steel's design code is IS 800 2007, and last is country design code ACI 380 to 90, and click on OK. So now have new models with template. So under the template, grid dimension spacing, and story dimension spacing. And so grid dimension, under the grid dimensions is uniform grid spacing, and simple story data or under the story dimensions, and again under the grid dimension is custom grid spacing. So also is the custom story data, and below the presented and add texture objects on click on grid only, click on OK. So default user interface of ETAB version, and so let's see the ETAB user interface. So top is so the title toolbar. So save the file this name, so presented this name in top to the ETAB, and below the title bar is defined as the menu bars, and like file, edit, view, define, draw, select, assign, analyze, displays, and design detailing options, and tool and help. And below the menu bars is the horizontal toolbar, and beside the horizontal toolbar is the vertical toolbar. So vertical toolbars, and select object, and receive object, and etc. And this is model explorer. So under the model explorer is model, display, table, report, etc. And this is called the main graphically interface of ETAB. So this is plan view, this is 3D view. So below the corners is unit action. So define the unit and set default unit. So thank you for like watching video.